Well, CoastLife, if you remember, some point last week, we did a little pumpkin painting. We were pretty excited about. Pfeiffer's gave us those gorgeous pumpkins.
They're so nice.
And then we actually painted on them, and we were a little disappointed in the results. You know, it wasn't our best work.
It was okay.
It was okay.
But I don't think I was prepared.
Yeah.
I didn't know as much about pumpkin painting as I maybe hoped.
I think we all, it seems straightforward until you actually sit down to paint the pumpkins.
It's a tough canvas.
But luckily, we know a local artist who has taught us a couple of different times how to work us and walk us through a particular painting.
Yes.
So we've got Ashley joining us back on the CoastLife couch, walking us through a new pumpkin painting. So we're actually painting a picture of pumpkins this time.
Well, thanks for having me, guys.
We love having you. You're so fun.
I'm excited to be here and teach you pumpkins.
Yes,
Yay.
exactly. We are set up. You always pick out the cutest stuff. We have our colors,
Yes.
all that good stuff. So I'm excited to see. And you got us these black canvases. It's going to be good.
All right, so where do we start?
All right. Well, first things first. These are 10 by 20s
Okay.
canvases. You can get them at any craft store or online.
Perfect.
And this is actually, I pre-paint it. This is black chalk paint, and it helps the paint dry faster. So it's really good to do that. So first things first is that I love the big brushes. So
Yes.
you guys all have the big brushes. So first thing is you want to get your colors. Now, a lot of people are doing like blue pumpkins now and white pumpkins, the gourd type pumpkins. So I figured if we do some teal pumpkin, a regular pumpkin, and blue, it'll look very festive.
Yeah.
Love that.
You guys ready?
We're ready. Let's dive in.
All right, so we're gonna first go into the orange.
Okay.
You guys ready? So get a bit of orange onto your brush.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so on the bottom, we're first gonna do the first color. So you're gonna draw an oval on the bottom towards like the right side, but not completely all the way over to the right.
Okay.
So we're gonna go a big oval
Okay.
on the bottom.
First. Okay.
There you go. All right, so we're gonna set up the outlines before we go and we paint them.
Okay. Love that.
Good. You got it, Paige?
Think so.
All right, so then we're gonna do 2 crescent moons on the side. So you do like a little bit of a curve and you do a crescent moon on the left and then a crescent moon on the right.
Okay. Should we color it in yet or no?
What we'll do is we'll like stack them on top with the
Okay.
colors so that we get them like what our view of our painting's gonna be.
Okay. Makes
And then we
sense.
can go and paint them. And if you want more ridges of your pumpkins, you can like add a line here coming off the side.
Okay.
So then when you guys are done with that, we're just gonna we're gonna use this paintbrush again to fill it in. We're just gonna put it like to the side.
Okay.
So then we're gonna do, I was thinking we could do white and then teal.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds
Okay, so we're gonna go into the white. So we're doing the same thing, except we're gonna do it above this pumpkin.
good. Okay.
So we're gonna do another oval. All right, and then we do it again. So we go half moon, and if you glob it on like I just did, you can just smooth it into the painting.
Perfect.
There you go, and another half moon. You can make the circle a little bigger, and then when you're done with that, we go to the next one, which is gonna be blue.
Yes.
So I gave you guys light blue or teal,
Oh.
and then you do the 2 crescents, and see how like it starts to flow after you guys like
It does.
start it. And don't worry if you have like a gap in between your pumpkins, because what happens is that when you start to paint it, you can fill those in, so it doesn't look like the pumpkins are kind of floating.
So we're gonna get ready to fill in all these pumpkins, and we're gonna take a quick break, but we're gonna kind of wrap these paintings up and see how we do when we get back. Well, during the break, we wrapped up filling in our pumpkins. I think they are looking gorgeous so
They
far.
are.
Yeah, look at
Color
that. That's why it's a
They
Paige
do.
Van Gogh Marley over here.
Thank you. They
Yeah.
definitely hype me up.
I think
That's really
this is-
nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, that is a stunning work of art right
Look
there.
at talent.
Look at that pumpkin on the bottom.
Oh, thank you.
I know.
Well, you gave me the idea of adding a little bit of like yellow apricot to add depth, so that's why we work with Ashley.
That's
That's right.
impressive.
Yes, Ashley didn't go anywhere because we're not totally done our painting. We still need to add a couple of finishing touches. So what's next?
All right, so we need like a little curly cue coming off of the stem.
Okay.
That's like, so we're doing the finishing. We'll do a little flower on the side.
Okay.
So let's start with the white.
Okay.
Get it onto the tip of your brush, and then just like it sounds, you're just gonna kind of get a point of your stem and just go like a little curly cue off of it.
All right.
And if you want to see it really good, you can kind of bring it up into the other pumpkin, and don't worry. If you drag in some of the color, we want that because it looks nice.
Okay, good idea.
Yeah, so because you'll have like a spot on your canvas, you're like, why is that empty in that spot? And you can just do a little curly cue.
So cute.
There you go. All right, so we're gonna get another brush, and we're gonna start to go into the brown.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna go into the brown. Now we're gonna start to make a sunflower.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Cute.
And sunflowers they'll put like in pumpkins and stuff like that. Like the display.
Like that.
over here.
Just like that one.
Just like that. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna make a kind of a half moon go in the opposite direction, like a half circle onto the side. So we're gonna make it go to the left. So I'm gonna go kind of a backward C.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put a line right through it. So you're gonna get another paintbrush.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
We're gonna go yellow,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna go in, same brush, into like the orange, the light orange, which is called apricot.
Huh?
And then this is the best part, guys. You go, swoop.
That's
You
fun.
ready?
Yes.
Ready? Go, all over. Swoop. And this really pretty one's like a metallic gold that you can get anywhere. So we're gonna do a little bit of, this is fun. So you just put gold wherever, and when it dries, it's gonna be like super. So you can put it in the stem.
Ta-da! My mom's gonna love it.
So cute. So good job, guys.
Ashley?
Yeah, thanks for having me today.
Of course, yes. So this is just so much fun. So make sure if you're planning maybe a little fall get together with your girls, make sure you give Ashley a call. She'll make sure you walk away with something that you really, really love.
That you want to put up in your house.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ashley, thank you again.
Thank you.
And we had so much fun with you.
Yes,
today.
Yay.
Yeah, that's right. But we do have a little bit more Coast Life to get to. That's on the way.